Sorry. I will go to the national officers so that we will know the 15 members or officers for the national. We have the number one, the national president, chairman of the board of trustees. We have the vice president. For external, or the vice chairman of the board of trustees, the vice president internal, the national secretary, the national treasurer, national auditor. Then we have here we have 10 board of trustees, as also mentioned by our president during her report. These officers shall be elected